Hello, my name's Colin from HDCCTV.co.uk. In this video I'm going to run through how to use the XIQ Mobile CMS app. This is a mobile app for iOS and Android devices that allows remote live view and playback of CCTV recordings using IQCCTV and XVision equipment. So to download the app, go to your App or Play Store and search for XIQ Mobile CMS, download and install. The first time you run the app, you'll have a notification message pop up on screen. You can allow this or not. I allow it on my system, so if I have a motion activation, it pops up with a message on the screen, on the home screen. Okay, this is the main menu. So the first thing we need to do is add your DVR to the system. So go to Device Manager first of all, and then click on the plus button. This is the device screen for the app. There are two ways to add a DVR or an NVR to this app, and that's using the login type. As you can see, the default is IP and domain, and if you've got some networking knowledge, you would simply add your IP address in there or your DDNS address, and that's the network setup. If you have very little knowledge of networking, the easiest way is to use the device ID method. So where it says login type, if you touch on that and select device ID. Now touch on the blue icon next to device ID, and that opens up the smartphone or smart device's camera. On the DVR, go to the main menu and then go to System and Info, and then hold the camera on your smartphone up to the QR code shown on the screen, and the device will be added. Okay, now we've got the device added to the app, let's go back to the main menu and take a look at the functions available. Live view is where you see your cameras live, and you have a choice of view available to you. You can have multi-screen or single screen. So if I go for single screen, you just simply double tap on one of the screens and it brings it up to a full screen view, and double tap again to take it back to split screen view. When you touch the button on the bottom right of the screen, it brings up a few split screen options. You have 4, 6, 8, 9 and 16 camera view available. In split screen view, you can drag and drop windows around the screen to rearrange them as you like, and using a swipe motion left and right you can view even more cameras, up to a maximum of 32. Let's take a look at the buttons along the bottom of the live screen. The first button will stop preview on the selected window. The second one across will stop preview on all windows. The next one is a snapshot function, and when you press it, it brings up some buttons so you can choose which camera to snapshot, or you can snapshot them all. You can view the snapshots taken from the image viewer in the main menu, and from there you can save, email or delete the images. Next is the record button, and this will start local recording. The camera streams are being recorded to the smartphone device, and you can play them back in the recording playback screen. Next is the DVR list button. This just shows the devices added to the app. And then we've got the PTZ control button. This is designed for anyone with a motorised pan tilt zoom camera. This will give you the on-screen controls required to move and zoom the camera about. And the final button on the live view screen is the quality button. If you want the highest quality images, select clear. If you want to keep your data usage down, select balance. Okay, so that's the live screen covered. Now let's go back to the main menu and have a look at playback. Remote playback will play back recordings made in the DVR. And the app can play back one camera at a time, so on the first screen you see, you can select a DVR, camera number, a type of recording and the date you want to play back. The playback screen will now show a coloured bar under the timeline to indicate recordings. The bar is green for constant recording, yellow for motion activity and red for wired alarm triggers. To quickly find an incident, you can touch anywhere on the timeline to skip to that specific time. If you need more accuracy, use the plus and minus buttons to zoom into the timeline. The scale goes from 24 hours from left to right down to a minimum of 2 hours. Record playback is to playback files recorded onto the smartphone when you press the record button. Image view is where you can view any snapshots made to the smartphone. From here you can email the image, play back a series of images as a slideshow, or delete the images. Just a note here on snapshots, if you want the best quality, make sure you're viewing live screen in clear quality, not the balanced quality. The image size you'll get from a clear stream is 1920 by 1080 pixels. When you're watching the stream in balance mode, it is 352 by 288 pixel snapshots you'll get. The next button in the main menu is the device manager, and I've already covered that earlier, so I'll move on to the alarm button. The app has push notifications. You can set the DVR up to send you a message when motion or alarm triggers are activated. To receive push notifications on your smartphone, click on the cog icon and enable your DVR. And that concludes our run through the XIQ mobile app. This app works with all of our AHD DVRs as well as our new XVision and IQCCTV NVRs. To view the entire range, visit our website HDCCTV.co.uk or give us a call on 01952 505 696. Thanks for watching.